What's going on? It's B the Installer. I'm here today because I wanted to show you the Samsung Frame with and without different bezels, so check it out. So first off, I want to say welcome back to the subscribers. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, and make sure that you hit the notification bell, set it to all so that you get all the new videos. I'm going to be going over a lot of different Samsung TVs, a lot of different sound bars that are coming out, a lot of streaming apps and devices, so there's all kinds of new videos coming out this summer. So definitely hit that notification bell to all, and that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. So the Samsung Frame TV has exploded in popularity over the last few years, and for good reason. Right now it's the only TV that really looks great when it's turned off and has good art versus just a black rectangle on the wall, and that has a lot of advantages to some people. Some of the other TVs are starting to have a little bit of art here and there, but a lot of the OLEDs and stuff are very reflective, whereas this Samsung TV looks like good art. It has less reflection in the screen, and so it kind of can hide in a wall of art. In addition, Samsung has an incredible array of art online that you can subscribe to, or you can just upload your own art. So as more and more people find out about this great TV, Samsung seems to be staying ahead of the game by adding more and more art. So let's get to the black bezel. So the TV comes with a black bezel, and in my opinion, it's pretty adequate, especially if you have a white wall and or if you're going to be using a lot of lighter colored art. So I shot a comparison video with the beige and the black bezels, and I used an art piece that was kind of a creamy beige color in itself. And after thinking about it and watching the video myself, I realized that it looks better with the black bezel. So that was kind of my first experience with choosing the wrong picture for the wrong bezel. And also the black bezel is free. So for someone that's trying to justify the cost of this expensive TV on its own, sticking with the black bezel and the lighter color art is fine. When choosing art that is darker, you can actually use the white mat around the picture to kind of give it a little better contrast. So I like that a lot. So with the black bezel, I like it on a white wall. I like it with lighter pictures. And if you're going to use darker pictures, just use the mat around it. It kind of gives it that real nice look that most black frames have anyways. So could you live with just the black bezel on this TV? Probably, but that would kind of just end the video right here. So let's actually get to that beige bezel that I was speaking about. So I actually like that the beige bezel and the darker brown bezel both actually have the wood grain look to them. It's pretty cool in itself. And both of them go well with like earth tone colors, and especially in rooms that you may already have like a brown dresser, or you already have pictures that have the wooden frames around them. And in general with these bezels, I just like that you can kind of change the look of your TV to match the look of your room, which is pretty cool. With the beige bezel, I actually liked it in theory, and I liked it on the Samsung website, but when I actually put it on the TV, I wasn't such a big fan of it. And I've also seen some complaints online of others that think it may not look exactly like they thought it would. And so it's harder to recommend the beige on a white wall specifically, but some people do like it for the darker earth tone colored walls, and with art that is blue or green or many of the other colors that may go nicely with this beige color in the background. I definitely would like to see the darker brown bezel. I think that that might even be a better option for those that are trying to get a wood look. But the beige bezel is nice in some situations, especially, you know, in California we have a lot of houses that have that darker tan wall, and I think it might look a little better with that, with some darker art. And so the last bezel that I have today is the white bezel. So I wasn't sure I was going to be sold on the white bezel, but when I got it on a white wall with some of this nice rich art, it actually looks pretty cool. So in my opinion, it's one of the best bezels to have if you're gonna have a lot of different art going on. The white gives a very clean look to the TV when it's on and when it's off. So in art mode, or if you're watching TV, it just looks really cool to have that white look to the frame. And in this home that I'm at, there's actually 2 TVs with this white bezel. I would highly recommend that you check out the video that I did on the 2020 Samsung Frame with the white bezel. I'll link it here and down in the description. But that video is great, and I gotta go through the install pretty quickly and kind of show the bezel installation at the end, but it's getting some good reviews, so I really appreciate the support on that video and all my videos. So one of my clients opted for the beige frame, and when we installed the TV and we installed a white floating shelf and a white Sonos beam, I kind of thought that a white frame would have looked a little better. So definitely let me know what you think below. Leave a comment below. Do you think this looks better with the beige, or do you think it would look better with the white frame? And while you're down there leaving a comment, hit that like button please, because it's really important for our channel. And right next to that like button, again, is that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload a new video. You might as well just get all that business taken care of now. So a couple of other quick points on these Samsung Frame bezels. They're pretty easy to snap in place. It's not very hard to install. You don't need to hire someone like me just to put the bezel on itself. Maybe not even the Samsung Frame. You can check out one of my videos. I'm sure you guys can install it. You can be the installer. And you can actually snap them off pretty easily too. They have these little magnetic strips on them, so they're easy to kind of pop on and pop off. I've been doing that here for the last few hours. Also, I do believe that the 2020 frame has its own bezel and that you cannot use previous bezels. So definitely check out the model number of your TV, and if you're gonna buy one of the bezels online, make sure that it has your model number in the actual description of that product. And speaking of products, down below I do have links to the Amazon store for getting the Samsung Frame TVs in all the different sizes, and I have a link for all the different bezels. So you can click on the Samsung Frame link and it has customizable bezels with it, or if you just need the bezel, you can click on that link below and it has all the different colored bezels. So you can buy all those. Again, it supports me and I appreciate that, so check out the links below. All right, so let me know what you guys think. Are you gonna get a bezel? Are you not gonna get a bezel? Do you even have a Samsung Frame TV? Let me know. Definitely hit the comments up below. Let me know. Pound the like button, subscribe, check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.